I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right terminal app and granting permissions. This unlocks file and clipboard access so commands work. Once installed, open the app and allow storage and keyboard permissions when prompted. This prevents later file errors. Make sure developer-like features such as external keyboard support are enabled if you use one, because it speeds typing. Once done, run a simple ls or pwd to confirm the shell responds, and you can see your current directory. Next, update the package manager and install essential tools so you can script and connect to hosts. This is critical because mobile shells start minimal. Use the package command to fetch utilities like ssh, git, nano, curl, and wget so you can edit files and transfer data. Then generate an SSH key pair with SSH keygen and copy the public key to remote servers. This avoids repeated password prompts and secures automated logins. Make sure network permissions are allowed. Finally, run your scripts and manage files. Mark scripts executable with chmod +x and invoke them with /script or the appropriate shell. Use nano or vim to edit and redirect output to files when needed. This helps capture logs. If you hit permission or access errors, recheck app storage permissions and adjust chmod or chown as required. For network problems, toggle Wi-Fi, disable conflicting VPNs, and test connectivity with ping or curl. That single test often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.